Ki Pulit Meghalaya jong ke East Khasi Hills District, Kiblalet Banhiar she Indore Madhya Pradesh ki ni Sngi baladem, Bad Pinlong jing Tokit, Bad Ru Banlap ikitiar kitar jong Raja Raghuvanshi, Kibala Suba Buhrieh Sabut, Kabla Shakino don kti ban Pinyap yau Kurim jongka Raja Raghuvanshi, Ki Pulit ka Meghalaya hak Jingiap Tokit jongki, Kilayo ban kem yalai Ngut Buhrieh, Kibala Suba don kti ban Buhrieh Saki satar, Kiba kinthop beka laptop bat ki siar jong Raja. Nakaliang ki pulit negastam, kilawan rakno ikite kilai Ngut shishilong bat bu iki Hasadar Police Station, bat hakaporjan mirhi kilara apat shi Yankashari District and Session Judge ban pan por naga Yankashari, ban pan bor ban tokit benya halor ke jing Suba don kti ban pindo pendam miki sabut jong ke Jingiap jong Raja Raghuvanshi. Nakaliang ke Yankashari, kala ai por ki pulit ban tokin Sngi hapo police custody yakate laingun kibla shakem ki pulit ke jila na Indore.
Aram se. Please lower your logos here.
See this Silcom, then Lokendro and this Balbir. They were produced before the Honorable Court today, and all the three accused were remanded to police custody for 6 days.
Was there any defense from
Yes,
their
from
side,
Legal Aid Council they appeared.
but not from Indore?
No.
Police had sought for how many days?
Police sought for 8 days. Court has granted 6 days police custody.
Any other observations from the court, sir, for the
No.
police?
Thank you.
Thank you.
From the hills of the east, a new voice rises. Hello, Meghalaya, our state's first ever OTT platform streaming stories, music, and dreams. From folklore to films, beats to breakthroughs, this is where culture meets creativity. Discover award-winning talents, breakthrough creators, and untold stories that deserves to be seen. From soulful podcasts to live stream and dreams. This is your stage, your spotlight. Hello, Meghalaya. Your story starts here.